Hi guys, what's up? Okay, I am kind of whispering right now. I'm not sure how much you guys can hear me. But today is finally the day I am, not me, my parents. So here's the plaque. I got it like October. I kind of kept it hidden because I had work and my parents were also working, so like we didn't get proper time. At first I was planning to do this on Dasera, but my dad was not in town, so I had to wait for the Bali. It's a good feeling to receive something for your hard work, so that's why I'm excited, and I want my parents to open this and unbox it for the first time, and I thought I'll just record this, vlog this out for you guys. Anyway, first I'll just go and get this gift wrapped. I don't have a gift wrapping paper right now. I have this paper right now. I'm not sure if I should gift wrap with this but no, bad idea. So I'll just go down, get this gift wrapped, and then it's Dhanteras today, so we also have puja at home, which will be at 9. Right now it's like 7. I don't know if it will happen before or after puja. I'm hoping it will happen before puja, but yeah, let's see. Oh,
YouTube.
oh, oh, what is this? What is this?
Oh, 1 lakh subscriber for passing 1 lakh
Silver button. Since long I was asking you, where is your silver button? Now you are showing me. Wow.
Presented to Dhwani Bhatt for passing 1 lakh subscriber.
So this is what it reads. You have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. So that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you have created, were inspired, challenged or entertained. You have achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance and probably a healthy sense of humor too.
Yes.
Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscriber may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think. We are rooting for you.
Congratulations. So happy for you.
Yes.
See this.
Thank you. क्या रहा है वो तो?
October.
हाँ क्या रहेगा?
गोवा थी आई हुई पछे.
ये छुपाई दूँगी.
हाँ.
જો ધ્વનીના 1 લાખ સબસ્ક્રાઇબર થઈ ગયા ને હા એટલે ને આવું આવ્યું સિલ્વર બટન કહેવાય આને
ગોલ્ડન એવોર્ડ એમ સિલ્વર એવોર્ડ
છે ને સરસ
So that is it for this video. I know I made this into a special video, not combining with any other vlogs, because I wanted this to be special and a video that I can look back on and be really happy and proud. So I hope you guys liked it. I know a lot of you Dhwanicons were waiting for this. Once even Priya came to my house, like she knew I got it, and then she was like, oh, you got it right, where is it? Show me then. Because my mom was in the same room as us, so I had to pretend like I didn't get it. And once even my lawyer asked asked about this and I had to pretend like I didn't have it. So there were like a lot of awkward situations in front of my mom, but my dad had no clue about this. So my mom knew that something is coming. I am so happy holding this in my hand. This belongs to Dhwani. I love you all. I don't know what else to say. I don't want to make it all emotional because we already got so emotional in my 100k video. So yeah, thank you so much, Dhwani Cons. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and your support means the world to me. So keep doing that, and I'll keep making amazing content for you guys. Love you. Bye.